Bossmansme here with another YouTube video, and today I will be showing you how to hack pretty much any game on the computer. Not like everyone, but pretty much any. But I will be leaving a link in the description of this video, and just click on it and it will take you here. This will pop up, and it's not a virus or anything, but then you're just going to click right there. I already have it, so I'm not going to. You will get this, and this is basically what it is. So I'll be showing you how to do it to this zombie defense game. So yeah, let's start this. It's basically really easy to do this. So once this loads in, okay, wave 1. Okay, so obviously, as with most games, you have to get it to a number where it's not common. Okay. So there's 900, and you're going to click right here. And then once you click right here, it'll bring you to this. And just go to the thing that you're running right now. Right here. Then you just double click on it, and now you are connected to the game with this. So right now I have $900. So let's click 900, then click first scan. Once it has that in, all this stuff pops up. Don't worry about it. So okay, so now I have 800, and I'm gonna put in 800 and then click next scan, and this thing pops in. Then you can just double click it and it pops down here. Click it and then double click on the value and change it to whatever. So I'll change it to that number. Okay, and now look at the top left. As you see, this is not a joke. I'll even put it over so it's, yeah. And now, and this is real. You could buy everything like that. And it took away. And yeah, so that's basically, you can do that with mostly every game on the computer, as long as it's usually not online or something. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, and if this helped you. Comment down below if you need any help, and I will see you in the next video.